Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how can you fix this action can be completed because the file is open in CapCut. So sometimes we face this problem over here and we can't find out where and what program is running in my background, and for that reason I cannot deleting this file. This video will shows you how you can do it. It's very simple. We can see that you just simply come over into your search option and going to search for run. After click enter, and here is your run program is opened, and now you just need to type for resume, and then what you need to do, so after that you just need to come over associate handles, and from here you just need to type the file name. Like I'm going to type this file name over here, going to copy it and going to paste it over here like this. After clicking enter, you can see that it's showing that your CapCut exe file is opening over here. You can see. So if you just click on the right mouse button after clicking it, and then you will get an option called end process. So if you click on that, I click on end process, it will automatically turn it off. And then now what will happen, you just simply come over into this file, and if you now try to delete it, it will be deleted very simply. So this is how you can fix the problem cannot be completed because the folder is open in another place. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.